we're so advanced. So, and the thing is, we can deduce these solutions for so many different benefits, and we're going to go through every patch one by one. And people say, well, why is that important? It's important because it's better. Our solution is important because it's better for humanity. We're going to introduce drug-free, stimulant-free, chemical-free, chemistry-free wellness to the world. Drug-free, no side effects, non-invasive, long-lasting, easy to use. Pain meds don't offer that. Sleep aids don't offer that. Energy drinks don't offer that. Just to get our head around it. Okay? That's why this is important. This is important because we're introducing a paradigm shift that's never existed before. All because of technology. All because we invested into understanding how our mind regulates our body, to understand that mind-body connection in a way that's never been understood before. For a long time, the mind-body connection was this esoteric, mystical conversation, right? We've taken it from the esoteric and the mystical and made it scientific and mechanical. Finally, the mind-body connection has a mind-body connector. The super patch is the mind-body connector that optimizes the connection between the mind and the body and the mind to elevate our quality of life, our health, our wellness, our performance, our recovery, our sleep, our strength. Without drugs, without chemicals, without stimulants, without addiction, without habituation.